Hi, my name is Anne Nolan and I'm the Project Coordinator for the EPA ESRI Environment Research Programme. Under the second phase of the programme, carried out between 2018 and 2020, researchers from the ESRI and collaborators in the National Biodiversity Data Centre, NUIG, RCSI, TCD and TU Dublin carried out 12 research studies under 5 broad themes. 1. Examining the impact of the environment on health and well-being. 2. Characterising biodiversity data recorders. 3. Using behavioural science to design and test behaviourally informed regulatory communications. 4. Examining the drivers and consequences of green innovations and green investments. And 5. Investigating land use and spatial planning issues. As an example of how the research informs policy, the research identified strong links between environmental conditions and health and well-being. In particular, living in areas with higher levels of nitrogen dioxide pollution was associated with higher rates of asthma in people aged 50 and over. It is notable that an effect was found even though standard regulatory limits are rarely exceeded in Ireland. An example of how the research contributes to the development of solutions is apparent from the results from the behavioural science strand that establish that the importance assigned to different environmental regulations can be altered by the language used to present them. Framing regulations as preventing environmental damage was the most effective strategy. A more detailed summary of the research findings and policy implications for each of the 12 studies is contained in the accompanying EPA research report.